Yeah, this is Marky Mark doing a trail ride GoPro test part 2. Natural color setting 4K 30 frames per second with my EV comp set at minus 1.0. Just trying to get some good footage to watch. I thank God he's allowed me to do this today. I'm going to put this on YouTube, and if you see it and you are more advanced than me and make better videos, give me some feedback so that I can put out a quality video that, you know, when people watch, it's not so blurry you can't see what's going on. So come along with me. Let's go. This is natural color 4K 30 frames per second. Shutters auto, sharpness on low, EV comp at minus 1.0 on a dynamically lit trail to try to determine how my footage looks between shadow and very bright. You know, I'm an amateur at this. I've just started, and I make these videos because I love trail riding. I love talking about God, and I love filming it so later on I can sit in my living room and turn it on YouTube on the TV and watch me ride and talk about God. But it's not any fun if my video is pixelated and over sharpened that you can't see what's going on. So if you're experienced with the GoPro 10 on the settings and you watch my video and you see something that can be improved upon, just leave a comment. That would be so helpful. But from the research I've done on YouTube, watching different videos, I feel like these are probably the best settings I can come up with until I view the footage, and then we'll see. But it always looks good when I view it on my phone and from the camera. Just when I download it to YouTube, then on a bigger screen, it looks really bad. So we're going to go run on down the highway in this shadow and see how it looks. Thank you for going with me. Now this is the second part of my video. All the settings are the same except for the color, which is changed to flat. Let's try this out and see what happens. beautiful day, sunny. Temperatures in the 60s. It's a great day to ride. Bug flew in my mouth. Good thing I caught him right at the lips. Spit him out. That'll teach me for talking too much. Film right on down the highway. Thank you for going with me. Give me some feedback. Let me know what I can improve on. Thanks a lot.